Okay. The reason we're talking to you is it was reported to us by Las Vegas Metro that this vehicle was involved in a violent road rage incident. It's also got some activities for the kids in there in a folder, so this is just a gift for you guys from the sheriff's office that I'm bringing over to you, okay?
Appreciate it.
No, we're not going to move the car yet, okay? I'm going to do my investigation, all right?
All right, so this gentleman was caught doing 58 and 45. So the vehicle does have insurance, which is great.
Where an elderly individual matching your description, armed with a black handgun,
Like I said, I see the marks on your hands, man. Do you need medical attention?
Absolutely not.
Are you sure?
Yeah.